Over in the corner underneath the cabinet, you probably have to sand it by hand. I can't reach under there with the palm sander. It looks pretty bad, just a lot of discoloring. A lot of water damage. Sometimes with older floors, the wood has been sanded down so many times that you could see the nails. This one's the first generation. It was put in 2000 when we renovated the kitchen. So right now it's 2022. So it's lasted almost 10 years without a coat. Love wood floors. That's what we're going to use is Minwax. Polyurethane. I'll make sure I'll mix it and shake it up as much as I can.